Hi, I'm Chef Martin of Yan Can Cook on PBS. Since I was a child, until college, library is always my favorite place to hang out, weekday and weekend. Can you believe it? The year of the dragon is slipping away quickly. That means the next Lunar New Year is just around the corner. So now is the perfect time to look up old and new recipe for your year of the snake celebration. Remember, you are the culinary star in your own kitchen. Between next January and February, I will be making several personal appearances in different public libraries in the Santa Clara County Library District. Come join my cooking demonstration, share a few laughs, a few recipes from my latest collection of cookbooks, and then, of course, some New Year cheers. People who were born in the year of the snake are wise, caring, determined, and very good at talking like you and me. Come and find out. Go to this website right here for the schedule and location. I can't wait to see you all at the library. Remember, if Yan can cook, so can you.